Most people are still using AI like it's 2023. They open ChatGPT, ask a basic question, and get a basic answer. But in 2026, the AI gap is widening between those who play with tech and those who master it. Today, ChatGPT is no longer the king of the mountain. New autonomous agents and reasoning models have made traditional chatbots look like calculators. If you want to automate your business, your research, and your creative workflow, you need to move beyond the basics. In this video, I'm revealing the 5 specific AI tools that are making ChatGPT obsolete. By the end of this video, you'll have a tech stack that does 90% of your work for you. Let's get logical. First on our list is Claude 4. While ChatGPT focuses on being friendly, Claude focuses on being correct. Its new artifacts window is a game changer for anyone who builds. You can prompt an entire functional dashboard or a website in one go. It doesn't just give you code. It renders the preview live on your screen. For complex logic, math, or large-scale data analysis, Claude is the new standard. If you are still copy-pasting code back and forth, you are working too hard. Tool number 2 is Google's NotebookLM. This isn't a chatbot. It's a personalized research assistant. You upload up to 50 sources, PDFs, websites, or YouTube transcripts. The AI becomes an expert only on your data. No hallucinations, no generic fluff, just the facts you need. It can even generate a deep dive audio podcast between 2 AI hosts discussing your notes. This is the ultimate weapon for students and researchers in 2026. Next up is the creative powerhouse, Sora 2.0. We've moved past the uncanny valley of AI video. Sora can now generate 60-second clips with perfect physics and lighting. For content creators, this means you no longer need a $10,000 camera setup. You just need a high-quality prompt and a vision. We are seeing the birth of the one-person film studio. But video is nothing without high-quality audio. That's where ElevenLabs comes in. In 2026, they aren't just doing voices. They are doing full sound design. You can describe a sound like a futuristic car flying through rain, and it generates the audio. It even handles background foley and cinematic scores. Pair this with Sora, and you have a Hollywood production on your laptop. Finally, we have Perplexity AI. This tool has officially killed traditional search engines. Instead of scrolling through ads and SEO-optimized blogs, Perplexity gives you a direct answer with real-time sources and citations. It is the difference between looking for a needle in a haystack and having the needle handed to you. The AI era is moving fast. Don't get left behind using outdated tools. If you want the prompt templates for all these tools, I've linked them in the description. Hit subscribe to Future Logic to master the next wave. I'll see you in the next one.